Hello, my name is Ana Charrua. I'm a principal investigator at the Faculty of Medicine of the University of Porto. I have been studying translational neurology for more than 20 years. My main focus in the past years have been the study of Bladder Pain Syndrome. I've been focusing in translational research to understand the pathophysiological mechanisms of this disease and also to find new treatments and to find biomarkers of the disease. In the ICS 2025 in Abu Dhabi, in this meeting, I will be participating in the workshop that is entitled Creating a Circle for IC-BPS. And this workshop will integrate information coming from animal models with clinical data and also artificial intelligence. Because despite the major data available, there's still a long way to go in BPS IC. So our purpose is to give insights to what needs to be done both in silico and in vitro, but also in vivo to improve the clinical aspect. The ICS meeting is a valuable meeting because it allows a multidisciplinary integration of the knowledge to improve the patient support.